How you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today we are talking chicken wings. Look, football season is literally right around the corner, weeks away. I cannot wait. There's nothing better than a Sunday morning throwing some food on the smoker or the grill and just watching games all day long. Luckily for me, I will be at the Minnesota Vikings home opener against the Green Bay Packers. Boo! I'm taking my dad to the game. I'm really excited. We're going to be sitting in the suite. It's going to be awesome. I'm hoping for a W. But when I'm not at the games, one of my favorite things to make is chicken wings, of course. It's football season, might as well be chicken wing season as well. And today we're gonna make some really delicious lemon pepper garlic wings. They're gonna be absolutely amazing. We're gonna be cooking them on the kettle today. They're gonna get crispy. We're gonna hit them with a wet, just lemony, buttery, garlicky sauce. It's gonna be fantastic. So the first thing we have to do is get the charcoal going, then we'll get the wings prepped. Let's go outside. All right, so today we're cooking on the S&S kettle. I have the slow and sear in there, strictly because we're gonna line up our wings on the cooler side of the grill, let them get nice and crispy, be able to baste them with our delicious sauce as they cook. They're going to be amazing. So I'm going to get this tumbleweed lit. Heck of a fireball there. And then we are going to get our lump charcoal on. I'm using Smoky Woods lump charcoal for this cook. We're going to let this go while we go prep our wings. By the time we're done prepping our wings, we should be able to dump our charcoal and get our wings on. Easy peasy. Let's get in the house. All right, so here are our wings already all split up and ready to go. The lemon pepper garlic seasoning I'm using today is the Suckle Busters. This is an older bottle. I have the 5-pound bag, so I just refill it. So if you buy a new one, the labeling and the bottle is going to look much different, but I absolutely love this lemon pepper garlic seasoning on there. And the reason I like it is because it has that garlic in there. And this is also fantastic on fish. It is so, so good. Now I have another seasoning right here, and I'm not going to pimp this brand because I've never used it. I strictly went to the store looking for some turmeric to add to this just for the lemon pepper color, and they were all out of turmeric. So I bought a seasoning that has turmeric in it. I wish that there was some in here, but there's not. And this is the best lemon pepper garlic on the market. So I'm not going to pimp this brand. Just go to the store, get some turmeric, and you can add it on the wings when you use this, or use whatever seasoning you like. But this is strictly for coloring because I want them to look extra lemony. So all we're gonna do is just get these seasoned up, and seasoning wings is super easy. Doesn't take a lot. What I like on here, you can see the different herbs. You can smell the lemon instantly. They look fantastic already. And like I said, the herbs in here, everything, this is just a fantastic lemon pepper garlic seasoning. Now at this point, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this other seasoning just for the color. And I knew right away when I saw it from the color, I'm like, okay, that's turmeric. Like, that's what I was looking for. So I'm just gonna get these all coated up evenly, and you can instantly see the color that that turmeric brings to these wings. All right, so these are all seasoned up evenly, looking mighty fine. I'm just gonna let these hang out for a few minutes until we are ready to dump that charcoal. We'll get these on, and then I'm gonna show you how to make the delicious sauce. We're gonna baste it probably every 20 minutes or so. After the first 20 minutes these are on, they're gonna be so, so good. They're just gonna taste like fresh lemons. I love lemon pepper wings. Screw you, Wingstop. These are what's up. Okay, so the charcoal's just about ready to dump, and we'll get our wings on, but I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make this sauce. This is just a cast iron pot here. I believe Lodge makes this. I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter in there, and then I'm just gonna add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice just to kind of offset everything and just add some more fresh lemon flavor right there. Then we're gonna go in with our Suckle Busters seasoning. I'd say half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of that. And then we're gonna come in with about the same of granulated garlic. I would start lighter and add more as you go to figure out which flavor profile you like. For me, this is what I like. I like the garlic, I like the lemon, I like the butter on there, and then of course the Suckle Busters seasoning just to add a little bit more freshness to it. And in fact, I'm gonna go a little bit heavier with that right there. So when our wings go on, this is also gonna go onto the grill. If you don't have one of these, you can just do it over your stovetop, and then you can adjust your seasonings as you see fit. But this is what we're going to baste these wings with as they cook. And after it melts down, I'm gonna reserve a little bit just to toss the wings in it too when we're done, so we got some fresh, delicious, buttery, lemony goodness all over them. So let's go out to the grill and get these wings on. All right, so a little windy out here today. I apologize. Like I said, these coals are about ready to be dumped. So we're just gonna dump those in. All right, so then we're just gonna get our grate on right here. Trying to block the wind here. I have my back to the wind. Hopefully it's not messing up the microphone. Now we're just gonna get our wings on. And we're just gonna evenly space them out here. No rhyme or reason. These things are gonna cook up just fine. Don't have to overcomplicate them. They're gonna be so delicious. And all these little hanger-on bits right there, those will crisp up too. And they're gonna be really, really good. And I'm just gonna squeeze this one in right here. And actually I wanna move these just a little bit closer because we gotta have room for our pot to get on. But actually, I think what I'm gonna do is just put this pot right there, just like so. So that butter will melt down as these wings start cooking. I just want to get these spaced out evenly here, just like so. So all our wings are on. I'm gonna let this go for about 20 minutes, allow that butter to melt, allow these wings to start cooking. We'll come back and check them in 20 minutes. And you might notice I have the top vents wide open and the bottom vents wide open. I don't really care about temperature. I'm gonna nuke these things, get them nice and crisped up. So yeah, we'll see you in 20 minutes. All right, so it has been 20 minutes. You can see I spilt a little bit of butter right there. That's why we're getting the smoke. But I got the butter moved off to the side. I'm just gonna give it a nice stir. And then I'm not gonna brush it on because I wanna be able to toss the wings in this butter when they're done. So we're just gonna baste them. And this butter was just bubbling away. And I didn't want it to turn to brown butter. Although that might be kind of good. Brown butter wings, sell those for $1 million at a steakhouse or a fine restaurant. So I'm just gonna baste these wings like so. You can see when that butter hits over there, we're gonna get a little flare up, so be careful on the coals. And you can see we already have some really nice color. It's already looking really, really good there. So now at this point, I'm just gonna get them flipped. So I'm gonna hit these one more time here. Just basting them up. And this butter is also gonna help them brown up, help them crisp up. They look and smell amazing. And if you have a kettle and a slow and sear, get the dripping griddle. I have it underneath and it's catching all this butter. It's gonna really help keep your cooker clean, which I think is very important. All right, so we've basted those. Now the rest of this sauce is gonna get reserved for when we toss these wings at the end. I'm guessing it's probably going to be about another 20 minutes for 40 minutes total. You can take these wings up to 200, 206 degrees. They're going to be just fine. I know everyone says, oh God, 165, trust me. There's plenty of fat in here. They're going to be juicy. They're going to be rendered. They're going to be delicious. Let's get the cap back on. Let these go 20 minutes. We'll come out and get an internal temp reading and see right where they're at. See you then. All right, so it has been about another 15 minutes. And I just checked the temperature on these and they are done. They're looking absolutely amazing. Check out that beautiful looking wing right there. Nice and crisped up here. So I'm gonna get these off and I don't know if I'm actually gonna toss these in sauce again. What I might do is I just might have that butter there for dipping, but man, these look absolutely fantastic. So I'm just gonna get these into this pan here and let them cool a little bit. And I'll meet you in the house when it's time to give these lemon pepper garlic wings a taste test. All right, so here is our lemon pepper garlic wings, and they smell absolutely amazing. You can hear that they've crisped up in this bowl right here. I mean, that is really nice. A little bit of lemon right there, beautiful color on that. And these were done in less than an hour. So game day, fire up the grill 10 o'clock, get these cooked. You're eating wings by kickoff. A little bit of char on there, and these did not go over the flame. That grill was just rip-roaring hot. I mean, check that out. Absolutely beautiful. Have a little bit of the sauce over here, so if you wanted to, you could just take a wing, throw it in there, and now you have a wet lemon pepper garlic wing. I'm just gonna throw that in there and let it sit there. We'll do a taste test on that one. But I just really like dry rub wings, and I think the sauce on the side is the move. So you can have wet or dry. Give the people what they like. Again, screw you, Wingstop. These are way better. Let's jump out and let's do the taste test right now. All right, guys, like I said, all that, less than an hour. We have some fantastic looking wings here. And yeah, I mean, beautiful. Going for a dry rub first. Ayo, let's try this wing. It's lights out. It's salty, it's lemony, it's garlicky. It's everything that I want in a lemon pepper garlic wing. Oh, it's just so good. Great smell from that lump charcoal, which gives it just a little bit of smoke flavor on there. And I know I didn't technically smoke them, but lump charcoal is just pieces of wood turned into charcoal. So you get some smoke flavor. Poultry's a sponge for smoke. You don't need a big wood chunk, especially on a quick, hot and fast cook like this. Having another bite. These were right around 200 degrees. They're tender, they're juicy, great crisp on that skin. Gosh, these are just so good, and they're so simple. All right, let's go for the wet drip in here. I mean, butter, what's not to like? Let's go for a bite. That is the move right there, to have that on the side and then dip your wings in it. Just great buttery flavor. Still great flavor on those wings. I mean, these are just absolutely amazing. Clean bone. Everyone loves a clean bone. You guys, these are lights out. You have to make them. If you have any other wing recipes you want to see for this coming football season, drop a comment down below and let me know. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.